Well, it's been a couple of days. Yesterday it rained its ass off, so I figured what better thing to do than go to like a junkyard and get tires for this mower in the mud. That's what I did. But one of them needs a valve stem, and I might as well doing both while I'm here. So that's what we're gonna do. You may have seen this one time before, or a couple times before. I made this out of a it's like a scissor style jack, and it works pretty damn good for stuff like this. I've used it on car tires too, and it works. It one side kind of. I'll show you up close in a minute. Yep, there it goes. Off the bead already. Pretty effortless. Like I said, on car tires, it works on car tires too. It takes a little bit more. I did it on my trailer tires when I changed a couple of them. Mine. Thank you.